So these are your CH4 and Br2 molecule. What happened over here, if you look, this is one Br atom. Are you Br atom? Yes. You are also a Br atom. And then you are sharing 2 electrons equally across this bond. What kind of bond is this, class? Covalent bond. This is a covalent bond. So inside this one bond you have 2 electrons being shared. Same goes to this one. So Sylvester is a hydrogen, Iskandar is CH3. So between this carbon and that hydrogen, there is another covalent bond. Do you agree? Yes, good. This is you. So between Iskandar and Sylvester, you have 1 covalent bond, and then 2 electrons being shared equally in this bond. Okay? So what did we say about alkane the other day? Alkane, they are what? Are they nonpolar or polar? They are nonpolar molecules, and therefore they are not reactive. What happened when I'm going to take these 2 boys to react with those people over there? Do you think you will have anything to be happening? No. Why not? Why not? Yes, because you have a nonpolar molecule, you want to mix with another nonpolar, dua-dua pun tidak reactive. So how are you going to get them going? So dia nothing will happen. So how are you going to drive the reaction forward? What do you need to have? What do you need to have? Someone said UV. So who's going to be the UV? I'm going to be the UV. So tiba-tiba datanglah UV. So what happened? So UV comes into the picture. Tadi tidak ada UV kan? They tried to mix, nothing happened. All of a sudden UV comes into the bigger picture, and then UV wants to provide energy. UV provides energy to this reaction to start what kind of cleavage? Yes, to start homolytic cleavage. So itulah guna saya kan UV. I provide energy. So when I provide energy to produce homolytic cleavage, what will be produced? Free radical, right? Free radical species kan? So in free radicals, you have the word radical. What does it mean by radical? Yes, radical. It's a radical movement. What can you think about radical? Dia seorang yang sangat radical. She's a very radical person. She's a very kind of reactive kan. Dia sangat active, sangat influential. So radical means they are very vigorous, rigorous, or very active. So what happened if I am going to form free radicals from these bonds over here? You're going to start to form a very reactive species. Do you understand? Okay, so now the question is, which one will be initiated first? Do you think the bond between carbon and hydrogen? Or do you think the bond between Br and Br? How many people say it's going to be between Br and Br? Okay, good. So, because bond between bond yang ini dengan yang ini, the bond dissociation energy is lower. Maksudnya, saya lagi mudah memutuskan ini kan. Yang ini, dia punya bond dissociation energy is higher than the one you have over here. So, why do I have to susah-susah kan? Bond dissociation energy, tinggi sikit. Ini lagi rendah. Which means, this one will be initiated first. So, apa jadi? So, dia kan, kalau saya putus, terus kamu jadi gila. Terus kamu kena efek kalau sana, kamu kena jadi gila. Yes, kamu mesti. You need to go crazy. So, UV provides energy, homolytic cleavage, and they're gonna be crazy. Begin. Go. Yes, someone. No, you have free radicals floating, attacking this. Okay, attack. Yeah. So what? What happened bila dia serupat macam begini? So this process is going to start another step. What step? No, kita sudah initiate. It's a propagation. Propagation means you make even more free radicals. Sekarang apa free radical yang kita ada? Bromine, free radicals. So when these two free radicals, they start to attack these species, unreactive kan? Because they're sangat reactive, what happened? Ini pun jadi free radical. Jadi gila. Okay. Sekarang sudah ada banyak free radical. Okay, stop. Can you make another line over here? One line. So how many free radicals do we have now? So you have one type of free radical, another free radical, and another free radical right over here. So we are making more types of free radicals. Do you understand? So itulah maksudnya propagation. Propagate means you make more. Okay? In the beginning, we only have these free radicals. Very good free radical. Very lousy free radical. Okay? Sana lang yung menang Oscar ini, tidak boleh menangkan. So what happened? Free radicals, they don't stay for a very long time. Okay? So what happened with this free radical? Okay? Sylvester, pergi sini sekejap. Kita jumpain dulu. What happened? Bukan to. Oh, kau lah. Kamu pergi sana dulu. Jauh-jauh. Jauh tidak. Kamu lah. Jangan ke depan dia berjumpa dulu. Okay. Sekarang sini. Okay. What happened? Termination. What happened? Termination step. Free radical and free radical. Guys, free radical and free radical, they meet together and then they're going to form another bond. So between these two guys. So what happened now? What do we have? So now we have stabil sudah. Okay? So now we have a new covalent bond between carbon and bromine. So tadi kita ada methane kan? In the beginning we had methane and then now we have what, Iskandar? What do we have now? Haloalkane. Malu sudah kau. Sama juga yang ini. Dia jumpa lepas tu dia terminate kan? Lepas tu dia jadi benda yang baru. Okay, HBr. Okay? Is that okay, class? Yeah. Okay, good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, actors. You can stop the video now. Thank you.